Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to log in to your Teachers Pay Teachers (TPT) account. Whether you're a teacher looking to buy resources or a seller looking to manage your store, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Go to the Teachers Pay Teachers website. In the address bar, type www.teacherspayteachers.com and press Enter. This will take you to the TPT homepage. Step 3. Locate the Login button. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a blue Login button. Click on it to begin the login process. Step 4. Enter your email and password. You will be directed to a login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your TPT account in the email field. Then, type your password in the password field. Step 5. Click the Login button. Once you've entered your login details, click the blue Login button to access your account. Step 6. Troubleshooting, if needed. Forgot your password? If you can't remember your password, click the Forgot Your Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions to reset your password and regain access. Account issues? If you're having trouble logging in, make sure you're entering the correct email and password. Double-check for typos or use the Show Password option to verify what you've typed. Step 7. Enjoy your TPT account. Once logged in, you can start browsing, purchasing, or managing your store, depending on your account type. That's it! Now you know how to log in to your Teachers Pay Teachers account with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Have questions or need further assistance? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy teaching!